Activating a Tracfone without an Airtime card is now fully digital. Since 2023, physical Airtime cards are obsolete. Instead, purchase and activate directly through Tracfone's website or app. Select a device. Choose a plan like pay-as-you-go or monthly. Enter payment details using credit debit card, PayPal, or bank transfer. Complete online verification. Modern devices come pre-activated. No SIM swap is needed. This digital process is up 90% as of 2024, aligning with the industry's shift towards contactless services. Enable Wi-Fi calling for calls and texts over Wi-Fi when cellular signal is weak. This feature uses VoIP technology to maintain connectivity through your home or public Wi-Fi networks. On Android phones like the Samsung Galaxy A14, navigate to Settings, select Connections, then enable Wi-Fi calling. On iPhones, go to Settings and toggle Wi-Fi calling in the Phone section. While Wi-Fi data is often unlimited in Tracfone plans, cellular data comes with caps. For example, a $20 monthly plan provides 2 gigabytes of high-speed data before throttling kicks in. After reaching your data limit, speeds are throttled to 2G levels, around 56 kbps. This makes browsing and streaming very slow, but calls and texts remain functional. Data deprioritization also occurs during peak network times, slowing speeds even within your plan limits. As of 2025, Wi-Fi calling usage has increased by 35%, especially in areas with poor cellular coverage.